Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very old 60s or 70s Seiko watch. As you can see, we have Lady Seiko written on the dial. So this is a small tank ladies piece from the period. We have a signed crown, which as you can see is an S, so Seiko. And we have this 14K gold filled case and back. So a very nice piece, a little bit more expensive because we have this 14K gold filled case and back, but nonetheless a very beautiful piece, a tank piece, which as you can see is also curved. So this is something really cool that I haven't seen on more modern Seiko or other watches. We have a few more Seiko tank watches, as you can see right here, that are a little bit curved. We also have the curved watch crystal, which is very interesting. So these are very collectible, very hard to find, especially in this very nice condition. The watch comes on this brown leather watch strap, which is going to keep that vintage look. A very nice watch, and you can find it for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. On the dial we can find these gold tone hour markers, which are going to be most likely also gold filled. We have the double marker here at 12 o'clock, so very nice condition and beautiful piece. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch reviews and watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.